So when to harvest garlic scapes. Hello guys, good morning. Today I will show you when to harvest garlic scapes. Okay, now let's go to our garden here. A flower there. We have a flower. And no, this one is turnips. The bugs are eating. And our salad here. Every day we're taking salad. And my climbing rose. Yeah, the clematis is very lovely. The rose Americana and the yellow rose here. Yeah, European red. This one is yellow, pink. This one is European red. Yeah. Okay, beautiful. And this one is Lady Diana rose. Lady Diana. This is golden grandiflora. It's not yet blooming. So yeah, our ampalaya guys. Better, or ampalaya in Tagalog, in English bitter gourd, because it's better taste. Melon amaya. I have two plants. I buy this one very far in Busbil. And here is our blueberry. Some are not making fruit. And this one is upo, gourd, kind of squash family gourd. Cucumber are still little. Yes. And here is beans, tomato. Check, more fruits here. This one not a lot of fruit, but big more fruits. But the other here more fruits but little, because this blueberry planted here are not the same kind. Separate. The other one there, no flower much, no fruit much, because of I transfer only this year, so not yet. So after the rain, our onion are very healthy. Wow. And at the middle I have my okra. My okra is surviving. This one are potato, and the carrots, turnips. Yeah, the carrots. And this one is leeks. So only that guys, you know, potato and bok choy flowering already. Okay, my eggplant is flowering now, and this my bok choy. The bugs are eating. If you don't cut the bok choy, the leaves, it will flower. So now it start to flower. And my okra, check my okra, surviving now. It's almost died. Surviving from the frozen nights. I hope it will survive more. Going to our garden. But check first, I'll show you the roses. Yeah, but we're harvesting garlic scapes. It's early in the morning now. So here my garden for this year. I have ampalaya, bitter melon. This kind of garlic, it's not yet ready, but it doesn't give garlic scapes. This one is from the grocery. Yeah, the garlic, Chinese garlic. And here is a Quebec garlic. As you can see, it's not yet. This one is not yet ready. This is the garlic scapes. This one, the other one there, the one turning, not yet. Not yet. So we go to, that's my onion. We go to another garden here. Take the roses and my red rose. Here is the raspberry flowering now. Yeah, that's the garlic. But some are here, this area, not yet ready. Here, there is a ready. This one, this one should, yeah, this one, it's turning first turn, that's the second turn. So this one is ready to harvest. But if you want to eat, we cook this one with the mix with stir fry, beef stir fry, like that, like, you know, cooking broccoli stir fry, beef stir fry with broccoli. You cut this into 1 inch, and then you add, or you cut this garlic scapes into little mince cut, you know, like little like that. Then you add into your fried rice. Promise, it doesn't taste garlicky. It's sweet. It's really sweet, this one. But if you let this one, why we need to harvest this garlic scapes? Because to promote the garlic bulb there, big garlic bulb. So is the garlic there? That's why we need to harvest the garlic scapes, the garlic flower. And if you let it there grow and dry, it will open. This one will open. And I show you, last year I let the garlic scapes there open, and actually I did not really let the garlic open by itself. I cut something here so that it can open, and then it promotes the little bulbils. Anyway, I plant last year, the bulbils. Check here, these are bulbils. Yeah, that's the bulbils, a little garlic, little bulb. Imagine that big, and it's little. Some garlic made from China. And this one, we will yesterday it rains all day here in Quebec, so I will not harvest this one yet. It's dry already. I think this one is the one from the grocery, the China garlic. And yeah, here are my other garlic. Aside is the bulbils. Beautiful, huh? No fertilizer here, it's all organic compost. Yeah, so that's my garden. It's mixed. As you can see here, there's grapes. Our grapes is already flowering. I hope this one will success. That's the flower of the grapes. Yeah, so now we're harvesting. This one is good to cook now. It's like that. And you know, we will harvest this one so soon, once the leaves are all brown. Yeah, maybe in August. I have here lemongrass, and there's a potato here. You know, when you're putting all the stuff from the kitchen, the peel, potato peel, like this one is growing. More bigger here, more bigger garlic compared to the other one there. The other one there, because here is more compost. And the other side is our tomato. Our tomato starting to flower. Check, I removed the other day before the rain. I removed the tomato shoot here so that I can have a big tomato. But this one here, because here it will take time, it will remove the energy. But this one here, near in the flower, I will not remove this tomato shoot because the next flower will be there. Check. But the one here down, it will take time to make flour, so I remove that one. Anyway, our broccoli. Anyway, we go back. We will harvest garlic scapes. So once it turns first round, second round, we will harvest that one here from this tip. Yeah, it's easy. It's easy to harvest. It's soft, and this one is sweet, so good for the stir fry. We harvest this one. I gonna harvest not a lot because all are not yet turning second round. This one, yeah, only that. Very beautiful, guys, right? Yeah, I think this one here. Okay, it's easy to harvest, and the water from the garlic, it's good to harvest in the morning so that there's time to dry and check. Oh, it's very yummy, this one, guys. Yeah, so I think only that is our garlic scapes for today. And thank you for watching, guys. In my videos I have some cooking recipe also, so please subscribe, hit the bell button for more videos, more notification bell. Yeah, and have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye. We'll update you later when we will harvest how big the big bulb here, because this one is big stock. My god. More bigger than last year. Okay, bye. Garlic scapes.